Hello guys, we're back. My brother's being an idiot like normal.
Yes!
Okay, so we got the trespasser. Okay.
Lasers are mounted on each ring of the invincible.
Oh, this!
Aim the lasers at the receptors on the output.
This is like easy. Okay, I'm just gonna get this over with.
Use the left analog stick to control the trespasser. Push up and down to select which ring is active.
And then it's down
Push
here.
left and
I'm
right
just
to
gonna jump.
rotate the ring.
I really don't like this planet. I think it's just dull. Stupid brown acid, whatever it is. Okay, so let's go here.
Yes, quite lovely. That should just about do it. Commander, we are finished with this world. Commence towing our planet to its next destination. Lieutenant!
Yes, sir.
You have fulfilled your tree quota. Barely.
We are ready to return to base.
Not so fast, Lieutenant. Just because we don't need any more trees doesn't mean they should have them. Destroy everything.
Okay, so we're going there now. To that tree planet. Full of trees. Technically just trees. Only living things. Probably just the trees. And those robot things that are going chop, chop, chop. Okay, let's do this. These are really terrible creatures. One hit kill. Then these, come on. What are they meant to be? Okay, so let's get to the main bit. Oh, Globe of Doom. Okay, here it is, I think. No. It's down there. I knew that. Smackdown! Okay, 2 ones. No. Then further in. Yeah, I've got this. All easy. I don't get this bit. Ah! Yeah. I don't get this bit. The wall moves. If you go through that. See? That's just odd. The walls are creepy. Here are the slings. Oh no! Oh, come on. Sorry guys, I am terrible at this. The magical moving ball. bit. What? There we go. As I last remembered this bit, this bit of this level was easy. But now I've had second thoughts. Okay, there's the gateway to heaven. Whee!
By double tapping the triangle button.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, I have got this. I guess. Let's start with this one. Just to stop the blockage. Oh, this one. Come on. Yay. Okay, then this one is probably. Yeah, I never knew that was. Oh well, now this is the hardest boss ever.
You sure showed him.
I suppose I did.
Well, that was like the hardest boss ever.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS, Blog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Drek, and we here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind boot tester, warhead assembly technician, mutant animal husbandry, robot repairman, suck cannon test dummy, and administrative assistant. So call BTS. Build our weapons while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS today.
Now we're talking. Did you see all the cool gadgets they're making? Let's go get some.
No, we must continue our search for Captain Quark.
You're absolutely right.
I am.
Sure, we need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell him where Chairman Drek is?
I suppose.
Well, we go to the space station and talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is.
I am unsure about your logic.
You think too much. Come on, let's go.
Okay, so that's it for now. So see you guys later.